Hey guys, it's Sandeep from RevAtlas and welcome back to yet another video. And today we have the Redmi Note 9 Pro Max finally with us, and we're going to be doing a first impressions of the same. Now before we get started, please do make sure to hit the subscribe button and also turn on notifications to see more videos from us in the future. Now let's begin this video. Now, I'd like to start off by talking about the three major differences on the Note 9 Pro compared to a Note 9 Pro Max, and that begins with the camera setup itself. So both these devices are physically identical to each other and there's no way to tell them apart. Of course, in this particular case, you can see that we have the transparent mod done to the Note 9 Pro, which causes the difference. But other than that, the only other way to physically tell these two devices apart is from the 48 megapixel and 64 megapixel branding on the Note 9 Pro and Note 9 Pro Max at the back. Apart from these two, they look physically identical. You get the same colors as well, and there's no difference in terms of the dimensions or weight either. Now, the variant of the Note 9 Pro Max that we received was the Interstellar Black, and although the name does suggest black, this device is more of a bluish or silverish sort of hue. It changes between both the colors based on how light hits it, and if you're expecting a black color or very subtle or very dark sort of color, then you won't get that with the Interstellar Black. But what you do get is a black TPU case compared to the clear case that's available with the blue and the white color variants, and that kind of adds a bit of a contrast to the entire phone, and if you want to use it, it does make it look darker as well. So main difference from the Note 9 Pro is the primary camera at the back has been upgraded from a 48 megapixel one to a 64 megapixel one, and at the same time the front facing camera also gets an upgrade from a 16 megapixel unit to a 32 megapixel unit. Now here are some samples from the Note 9 Pro Max, and you can kind of evaluate the photos yourselves, but we will be posting dedicated camera review and a review in the future, so stay tuned for that. But let us know what you think about these samples so far as well. The last and final change occurs under the hood, where you have a 33 watt fast charging in place of the 18 watt fast charging that was actually coming with the Note 9 Pro. So physically, when you look at the port, there's no difference as such, and both the phones look practically identical. But then again, there is a difference, especially in terms of the charger that comes in the box, which is a 33 watt charger and is quite a bit bigger than your regular Note 9 Pro charger. Now, we are yet to try this new 33 watt charger on the Note 9 Pro, but according to Xiaomi, simply buying a faster charger with the 33 watt capability won't actually charge your Note 9 Pro faster. So if you do indeed want faster charging, it's better to go for the Note 9 Pro Max itself from the get-go. The rest of the phone remains identical to the Note 9 Pro, and hence we will link that review in the description as well as at the end of the video, so watch that to know how it actually performs in real life. But until then, stay tuned for our review of the Note 9 Pro Max as well. Thanks for watching this video. See you again in the next one, and please don't forget to hit the subscribe button.